Guys, so I run away from New York City to escape the cold and the crazy weather.
But today, let me show you the ultimate, the badass, the hardcore travel backpack. This thing is not cheap, but it's insanely freaking awesome. This is the only one backpack you'll ever need.
This is the peakdesign 45 liters travel backpack, and this thing is insanely cool.
Has lifetime warranty, and it's by far the best and the most advanced, the most when it comes to organizing your gear and clothing, fast access, and so easy to use on the fly. This backpack will facilitate and make your travel smooth and comfortable. I recently came from CES 2023, and this backpack made my life so easy. Took it to DC, now Punta Cana, and next stop Costa Rica. Let me show you why this is the real badass piece of equipment.
And this thing is just super comfortable. I had here up to 50 pounds, and to my surprise, these things didn't break, super solid. And the most important is construction. It is super durable, very comfortable. I just came from Las Vegas, so I'll be clipping all the cameras, all the accessories inside, and how much you can fit in here. I have about maybe 30 pounds of weight inside, and what's cool about this, so in a couple of seconds, you can increase, this now is 30 liters, so it's compact size, but once you open the zipper here and you have this, clippers here, you open it, and in seconds you have additional 5 liters of storage. Now, right now we're in a warm weather, and I came from New York and it was freezing cold. So let's say, for example, you have your winter clothes, right? And you want to ditch them, right? Let's say travel from cold to warm. What's cool about this, and this is what I love about this backpack, from 30, 35, and you can actually expand to 45 liters. And it takes you a few seconds. You just pull the zippers and you get additional 10 liters, which is amazing. So in this case, I can very easily pack my winter clothing and be on a go. And this is thick jacket. I have 3 layers there, and my pants, my winter pants. So it's quite a lot. You can do it so easy and so fast with a backpack. Look at it. In a second, you have a 45 liters, and you can load up weight. I think I had close to 50 pounds, and it's light, even empty, and structurally, it's so tough. Quality is the best backpack I tried so far, and besides that, when you load 50 plus pounds in a backpack, comfort is very important. Here you have this padded straps. It is amazingly done. Like, it's so comfortable. You have handles everywhere. You can grab from any position, upside down. And here, if you have extra gear, let's say, you have this magnet clips here, so you move this stuff, and you can actually clip it like that. Let's say you have a sleeping bag, you have a tent, and you just, hook it here on the side, and you can clip it on this point and add additional, cargo here. You have this clips on the side, and you have also clips on the bottom here. Utility-wise, this thing is just insane, and makes it so easy to travel. I'm back from CES 2023 Las Vegas, guys, and to share with you the gear that I used. It was challenging for days, and I also used the sling. This is the 10-liter everyday carry sling, and I will take this on the show for my gear. And here I have majority of the stuff, some of the recording gear and my clothing. It is huge. It doesn't look big, but I can fit so much more in it. And this weighs about 50 plus pounds. I'll show you exactly what's inside, but I can fit even more. Water bottle, which is important. Guys, stay hydrated always, especially when you carry such a heavy backpack. And you'll see when I tested the new Tyson e-bike, I had this backpack and this link both full on me, so probably around 300 pounds or more, and it was easy. And when you remove the water bottle, it just goes back and retracts and looks flash. So I can carry it like this. I can carry it any side, bottom, top, left and right. But what's cool about this is all these connections. Look at the stuff. So you have all this hidden here. It comes out. The points are so well done. I thought it's gonna break, but having over 50 pounds here, there's no wear and tear. Look, it looks like new, and I had this prior to CES, I think for a week, and CES, that's 2 weeks. It looks cool. If it gets dirty, just wipe it out, and it looks like brand new. This fabric, very resistant, doesn't get wear and tear. When you open it, you have so many pockets. I mean, the bag is not really organized because I just landed this morning and I slept a couple hours. And I'll show you what I have here. It's so much stuff. So a pan, I have all the cables, all the stuff that I use, and this is handy here. I just remove it and put it in this bag here. So it's not really organized, but you'll get the point. If you spend some time, you can organize properly. And you have here different compartments for your pen and whatever stuff you want to put. You can put a wallet here and there's stuff. I have other places where I kind of hide stuff away, so you see that. You have another compartment here where I have hard drives that I carry with me, mounts and stuff. So it's not really organized, but I'll show you guys exactly what I use and what I have. GoPro chest mount. Very nice notes, kind of like, a book from Okai. Feels very cool here. So that's the front portion. And I forgot here, we have a pocket here right in front. This is quick access, and this is what I carry here. Very compact battery bank. Quick access for cable for charging. This thing that I use for my tripod. Peakdesign creator kit, mobile kit I review, sold out on Amazon. Hard to find now. Awesome piece. That goes into my cell phone. Really awesome thing. Also sold out on Amazon. So these things go with me everywhere, and they stay right here, so I can get them out easy, fast, and use them. This is the bicycle mount, universal bicycle mount that I actually used on CES testing various bikes. Have a full review, awesome piece. And a flashlight that I actually made with a magnet on the back, so you can just clip it on any metal surface. Have it also me handy. So that's that. In the front here, there's more room. I didn't feel all the way in the back. Pocket here, pocket here, pocket right over here. And you can put more stuff, so you can organize better than what I did here. Another pocket right here, another SSD hard drive, my extension for the laptop, my Rode microphone, and this stuff I use daily, so you guys see links down below in the description box. Very nice see-through compartments here, so you can see exactly what you have. And this is the cool part. I'm gonna close this. I can show you why I like this backpack so much. And it's expensive, but it's so useful and makes your life so much easier. You have side access. You open it. I have my tripod here. I have my drone. The camera comes really fast. Point and shoot. It's heavy, but what's cool about this bag, even on one strap, it doesn't break. And I can do this. You just open it and you roll. So you have side, you have front, and this is the thing that I really like. Open from this side, you have access to the entire bag. You have access to your laptop. And this is a really spec'd out Dell XPS 17-inch, 2 SSDs, 64 gigabytes of RAM. We have aluminum body, so really heavy, adds so much weight. And look inside here. Compartments here. Love this handle here. Also, the waist. So let's say if you're hiking, connects here, and you have this holders here, so you can put your cell phone, your camera, quick release, and have it there. And very nicely hides, and magnets. Just, guys, amazing. Love this bag. It made my life so much easier for 4 days. Open this and you have everything. And I'm not good with organization, but look how nice it is. I have the smaller pouch, all my socks and stuff here, dirty clothes. This is my t-shirts, underwear, you know, various clothing. I'm gonna put it here and then I'll show you guys everything. The tripod, this thing, it's like a jewelry. Makes your life so much easier. I'll do a full review on this so you guys have functionality. I can lock it in here. So this thing, it's light for a full-size tripod. This is light, has insane amount of features. It's just like I have to prep and really, you know, get your detailed video because it's amazing. It is expensive, but it's the best tripod in the market quality-wise. Lifetime warranty. I mean, this thing was beaten up and still looks like new, has scratches, but love it, guys. So this is coming hopefully next 2-3 weeks because I have so many bikes to share with you, so much content from the convention. And besides that, other projects I've been working on. Some smaller bag here. My drone, I don't use that often. Mavic Pro 3, the camera, another shirt. Hey bike, I got moved around, but I keep my both cameras, easy access right here at the top, and right here it's really protected and it sits here at the top. So when I open, I can get access from any point. 360 res, and this is the One X2. This was good last year, but in the dark condition, it's really poor quality. This one is so much better. I'll try to find time and make for you guys a full review. This is my Action to Go #1 camera, really, really good. There's a newer version available. I haven't tried those, but with this, the footage is so much better, clear, low light, does so much better than other cameras I tried so far. Really recommend that, and I'll try to get you some footage in the full review video. The controller for the DJI, my Logitech mouse, my gloves if I ride a motorcycle or if I go faster on the bikes, the power unit for the laptop, my toothbrush, and this is the Magic Shine light that I reviewed, the 6, 7, 8,000 lumens, I forgot. A crazy powerful light, and this is the battery that I use as a power bank. It charges my phone that I'm recording right now with probably 2 or 3 times, and I can do it really fast, and USB-C type to USB-C type, so I can connect and charge anything that I have in this bag, cameras, accessories. I can do it on the fly. So if you look here, there's so much more to talk about, and I can probably link the peakdesign video so you guys can spend half an hour and go over safety, security. This is the extension right here. So this is the compartment that you saw, right? With a lot of smaller compartments. So when you open here, you have more on this side. And this is the back of the bag. I don't even know what is this for here. Functionality wise, this is insane. What's important, what's really insane, usually you get cool bags, expensive fancy bags, and when it's empty, it's heavy. This one, despite being so tough, I'm actually surprised how tough it is. It is not heavy. And you have like a lot of zippers, waterproof zippers. I mean, oh, I forgot here, my hidden pockets. Here I have my peakdesign wallet, which I love this thing. They have 2 different designs, and it's hidden right here, right? And you can do like that. Here you have another Velcro pocket. I'm not sure what is that for. I think you can put your peakdesign info and stuff. I don't know if I will use that. I'll never leave this bag out of my sight. And on this side, another hidden pocket, and I keep here my small Allen wrench toolkit and my apartment keys. So yeah, this is the bag, guys. I don't know how long the video is, but I will try to do the next video the sling review. This thing is also awesome, much smaller, much easier to have it every day on you as you carry your camera gear, or even for daily use. If you go to the office, you can put I think 14-inch laptop in there, your tablets. But this is, guys, the bag. I'm gonna put all the items outside, and this is just the backpack, and there's even more room left that you can add on without the extension. And the bag actually has a very firm shape. It's fairly brand new, right? 2 weeks only, so it might get softer on the sides, but it's firm. And guys, this is all that I fit inside. As I mentioned, you can put slightly more, maybe 20% more, and after that you have the zipper that you extend and have the additional 10 liters, so it doesn't look really big. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think and what else would you like to see, and I'll try to buy those items and make the review. But this frame is delivered, so that's gonna be in the next short video, so I can show you that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to share with you and do a quick review. Hopefully it's not too long, but this thing, it is insanely awesome. And I know it's expensive, but you buy it once, it has lifetime warranty. This company is amazing, super awesome customer support, carbon free, recyclable materials, support going green, and yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you spend once $300 and it's gonna be for your life. And you're gonna love this, and it'll make your travel so much easier and it'll be fun. So guys, I'll link all this stuff down below in the description box. If you need anything, you know, you can purchase if you like and use. There will be affiliate links for Amazon. Hopefully you guys can support the channel and use what I use. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.